of other things. He has been ready to serve God with us, even in this tough situation. Other circumstances, you think, will he go with us? But he goes with us. Other things, you think, will he accept this? And this is time, will he accept? But you find that he accepted that. He said, I will go with you in this way. I remember one person. His heart was together with the true friend. So that best friend, when he wanted to say go, he answered, he said, no, I will go with you. He said, no, even your God with my God. So wherever you will be, I want to be there. This kind of, such kind of ministers are not ministers for interest. These are ministers with purpose, ready to serve God without regarding the environment, without regarding the tough situation we have. And these are kind of ministers that we want. And Bishop Nathaniel. I never served God because of money. I never served God because of cars. Because even those ones, when they wanted them, God restrained them from me. By then, when he restrained them from me, I continued. Others say we will delay. Pass our ways. Do what we do so that you can get benefit. Say I'm not called for benefit. I am called to serve the purpose. I see people calling men because of the gift. And sometimes a gift of the devil. Haven't you seen people are healed and they pay money? But here we pray for people and they are healed and they do nothing. And we have peace. If I, your father, decided to receive anything or to repay you anything, I will be so far in terms of development. But I rejected all those. I said I will true gospel. No matter whether it doesn't bring benefit, I will stay with this God. I don't want witchcraft. I don't want drama. I want God with his power. When I accept that and follow that, I've continued to see God. I have peace. Even if I see you 10, even if I see you 20, even if you are 100, even if you are 100, I have peace because I'm not for the big congregation. I am here for which are ready to see God, the life of God. Even if you are few, even if you are poor, I am ready to do. And even we pastors, we say we together with you. So this time, I handle this identity card, and this identity card this identity card display that this